Your team is the most important asset you have in your practice or in your business. Dear friends, I am launching a special WhatsApp class for your dental staff from coming Wednesday to Saturday, 1 hour, 3 to 4 or 4:30. This class I am going to cover various important topics in terms of dental practice, especially how to handle the customers in the reception, productivity tips, time management tips, stock taking and stock management, and all these are going to be covered in this 4 days class. And this will really help your dental assistants to understand the seriousness of what you are doing in your practice. Many of the people whom working with this, they are not engaged in the work. They are not doing the right things. That is why we don't see the results we need. I hope you all agree with me. Many of our staffs have joined newly. They don't have any orientation towards the dentistry. People who are already existing in the practice, they are very frustrated and they are very bogged down because of this COVID situation. So I would request you to kindly join my WhatsApp course, and it is just 500 rupees. The course is free. The registration is just 500 to make you commit. I promise you, you will see a lot of difference in your staff if they come for this training, and they will be motivated and they will be giving you a lot of ideas after this program. This is one of a kind program, the first time in India I am doing, because first time nobody's have ever done any course for the dental assistants. Every course is targeted for dentists, but I feel the dental assistants deserves a better place in our community because they are helping us a lot. They could be your dental nurse, they could be your chairside assistant, they could be your receptionist. Anyone who is working with you can attend this program and they will get a lot of tips and tricks. It is starting on the 7th of July, which is on Wednesday afternoon 3 o'clock till Saturday 5 o'clock. I am giving a lot of motivation for my staff. I would like to introduce one of my staff to you. Come. Hi. Hi. What's your name?
Saronika.
Saronika. What is the role you have here today?
Receptionist.
Receptionist, right? So, what do you think? Is training is important for you as a receptionist?
Yes, sir.
Why? You can tell in Tamil. உங்களை ட்ரெயின் பண்ணுறது ரொம்ப முக்கியமா?
அப்போ தான் நம்மக்கிட்ட பேஷண்ட் கிட்ட போல்டாக பேசுறதுக்கு நமக்கு ஒரு கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டாக இருக்கும்.
So she is telling only if I am trained, I can confidently talk to the patient. Why you need to talk confidently to your patient?
பேஷண்ட் நம்மக்கிட்ட அவங்களும் பேஷண்ட் நம்ம பேசும்போது நம்மளை புரிஞ்சுப்பாங்க. ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் எடுக்க இவங்களே நல்லா சொல்கிறாங்களே சொல்லிட்டு அவங்களுக்கும் ஒரு கான்ஃபிடென்ட் இருக்கும். நம்ம ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் எடுத்துக்கலான்ற அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு மோட்டிவேஷன் இருக்கும்.
So she is telling that if I am trained, I know I can confidently convince many patients in the reception side itself. I am going to ask few of my chairside assistants here. Hello. Come. What's your name?
Hi sir.
What's your name?
Menaka sir.
Menaka. Why you think training is important? Yeah, training important.
Training வந்து
லவுடா பேசுங்க.
எல்லாருக்குமே கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியா இருக்கும். நல்லா தெரிஞ்சிக்கலாம் நிறைய விஷயம்.
Okay, she is my chairside assistant for the last almost 4 years, and she is very thorough in implants. We'll ask her. What is this? What is this?
Implant sir.
Implant. What brand is this?
Straumann.
Straumann. So she's telling this is Straumann implant. Okay. Okay. You are thorough in implants. She arranges my implants and she keeps my implants ready for my practice. We will ask one of my younger staff. Hi Preeti.
Hi sir.
You can take your mask out. Hi Preeti, how are you?
Hi sir.
Hi. A lot of people are watching this video. Please tell them training ஏன் முக்கியம்? நீங்க எப்போ ஜாயின் பண்ணீங்க?
நான் வந்து நவம்பர்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணேன்.
So she joined the clinic November 2020. Please tell me நாங்கள் உங்களை எப்படி ட்ரெயின் பண்ணோம்? How did we train you?
உங்களோட ட்ரைனிங் வந்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்தது சார். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் எனக்கு டென்டல் மேலேயே ஒரு அஃபெக்ஷன் வந்தது.
She is telling, I liked your training. After that only I got very much affection on the subject itself. Very important, dear friends. Training is very important for people to love the subject of dentistry. Don't think the money we give is going to engage them. The training, which is important, the salary or training?
ட்ரைனிங் தான் சார்.
Training. சொல்லுங்க.
ட்ரைனிங்கில் நான் வந்து இங்கே ஒரு மோட்டிவேஷனே இல்லாமல் தான் சார் வந்தேன். இங்கே வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் தான் நான் டென்டலில் இவ்வளோ இருக்கா அப்படின்றத நான் கற்றுக்கிட்டேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் நான் எனக்கு ஜென்ரலை விட டென்டல் ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்தது. சரி இங்கேயும் கண்டினியூ பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ட்ரைனிங் கொடுத்தது எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்தது சார்.
Okay. So she is telling that she was not having interest to continue because she is a medical nurse. But as she was trained by me, later she got interested to continue in the process of dentistry. So dear friends, on Wednesday, I want all of you, your staff, your receptionist, per clinic just 500 rupees reception registration fees. I'll put the payment link. Pay the link and I'll put the WhatsApp group number also. Please join the WhatsApp group after the payment. On Wednesday evening 3 to 4, I am going to give a lot of motivation for your staff. I want your staff to be trained. I want your staff also to be motivated. I want your staff also to be happy, like the way my staffs are. So let's all say hi to all of them. Hi. Hi. So course attend பண்ண சொல்லுங்க எல்லாரும்.
எல்லாரும் இந்த கோர்ஸ் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணுங்க. டாக்டர்ஸ் எல்லாரும் உங்கள் ஸ்டாஃப் எல்லாரும் மோட்டிவேஷனாக இருக்கணும்னா இந்த கோர்ஸ் எல்லாரும் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணுங்க. உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். தேங்க்யூ.
பிரீத்தி நீ என்ன சொல்ற? எல்லாரும் அட்டென்ட் பண்ண சொல்லலாமா?
ஆமாம் சார், அட்டன் பண்ண சொல்லலாம். இது உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக தான் சார் இருக்கும்.
Okay. Hello, Dr. Liji. What do you want to tell about the training to the people?
Yeah, this training is going to be so useful to all of you. So kindly all of you attend this training and you'll see the benefits of it.
So dear friends, நமக்கு எல்லாமே dental team தான், right? So when they are happy, we are happy. You know, it's a team work. Your team work makes your dream work. You know, all of my achievements I dedicate to the team only, because if they are not there, I am not there. Okay. So likewise, if you want to grow up in your life and practice, your team should be ready. You should know to work as a team. You should develop team building. So this coaching is going to be on good topics. Please don't miss it. Thank you, dear friends. Have a nice Sunday. Relax yourself and come for my training. Thank you and God bless you.